we go. We're venturing out for a little video tour of the blizzard of 2013. Out our front door. I got the steps cleared pretty easily. It's light snow. All you gotta do is toss a shovelful up in the air and it's gone. It's coming down pretty horizontally, so the drifts are massive. We got a big drift from the neighbor there in his driveway. Then I came home and parked at just the right time. Nancy and Katie and the kids came out and cleared the front driveway. I pulled the car in, and since it has escaped unscathed. The drift went right around it, and all this was cleared out and never filled in. It's pretty wild. Cut a path between the cars, and we got the same thing, a drift over here. You can see the grass. There hasn't been any snow that's settled down here. But here's Katie's car, completely buried. I adopt the fire hydrant across the street. If you could see the little, you can just see the top of the hydrant and that post they tag onto it. In the summertime, people say, well, they got that big metal post tagged on there. Well, this is why. So when you get more than 2 feet of snow, you can still find your fire hydrants. Here's the snow drift. This is the way it drifted between our houses with the driveway and the cars and everything. You can see I can't even get out the side door yet. I'm gonna have to shovel up from the house there. And here's my new car. This side you can't even hardly see it. But I cut a little path. Wanted to be able to get to the snowblower in the garage. And you can see out here another huge drift where the snow hasn't even settled in the backyard. It's all this grass. I'll get a shot from upstairs out that window in the bathroom. You can see the scope of the whole backyard. It's drifted all the way around the garage. Seek a little shelter for a moment.